Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, quickly I'm going to be showing you how to eliminate unwanted hair from any part of your body, anywhere. And these are the two things I'm going to be using. I'm going to be principally using baking soda. Baking soda can be gotten from stores or places where you can get some pastry products. So anywhere where we can get flour, sugar, baking powder, you'll be sure to get baking soda from that place as well. The second component I'm going to be using is my coffee. I'm using this particular coffee grind for the sake of this tutorial. And quickly, I'm going to be using, depending on how much you want, but for the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to be using 3 tablespoons of my coffee. I'm going to be adding 1 teaspoon of my baking powder to this, and I'll mix everything together. Because I need it to form a paste, you can't just apply this on your skin like that. I'll use a little bit of water. The water really does not have any measurement, but just add a little bit of water till you get the kind of consistency that you want. So this is perfect for me. So this is the consistency. This is like a right consistency. Make sure that it's not too runny and make sure that it's not too thick so that it goes on effectively on any part of your body where you want it to be. So why the baking soda and why the coffee? This is because baking soda intensifies the compounds of the coffee and it breaks down the hair follicles from the roots. Like I said, baking soda intensifies the compounds of the coffee and it breaks down the hair follicles from the roots. So this is not just you applying it and it goes away. This will break down the hair from the roots and it addresses it from that source. So you can be sure that by the time you do this consistently, you see results. So simply, you just apply the potion that you have on any part of the body where you want to eliminate the hair from. You can do this on your face or other parts of your body where you want to remove hair. So when you do this once, you don't just stop at it. Most people will just say that, oh, this does not work. Why is it not working for me? The reason why it's not working is because you're not doing it as often as you should. To do this, you have to do this for at least 1 week, like every day of the week. If you don't have time to do it every day of the week, I advise you do it like 2 to 3 times a week and continuously do it for as long as you can. You will see that the hair starts to break down and you don't have to worry about the hair on your body again. So when you do this, you can be sure that the hair starts to break down. When you've done this, leave it on your body for about 20 minutes, then just wash it off or use the wet cloth to remove it and continue the process, like I said, for at least 1 week or 2 to 3 times a week for a period of about a month. By the end of that month, you'll see that there will be no hair on those parts of the or on all those parts that you've applied the coffee ground and the baking soda. So this is one tip that can work for you in case you're trying to eliminate hair from any part of your body. The combination of the baking soda and the coffee helps to break down the hair from its follicles. Please share this video because I'm sure many other people will want to see this video. And if you've not subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe to this channel. Also turn on the notification bell for more videos like this, and I'll see you next time. Bye!